I am ready for bed, but man, does that center exhaust look good. Got the fender mounted up also. Added this tube right here. Welded this tab on there for the fender. The fender mounted up here. I wanted to put the exhaust there, so I put the tube here and I just brought the fender right off the tire. Then I actually took this piece that was already cut off when I got it and I cut it up some more. It still needs welded. There's still some welds that need done, but I cut it on this side so it makes room for the sprocket. So normally it would mount over here and go across and be in the way of the chain that's coming from there. So I took it, cut it there. That's sleeved also. There's a piece of solid stock in there. Then I got a tab welded there. If it'll focus. Anyway, you can kind of see it there. Then I got it welded down here, so it kind of zigzags around there. Oh yeah, fender's nice and solid. Center exhaust, that always looks cool. Seat will be up here. Nice, cleared for your leg. Foot peg will be out there. I'm gonna header wrap this anyway, cover up my crappy welds. But yeah, coming along. Not too bad for one evening of working on it. But alright, I'm going to bed. I can see my breath. I'm out of propane and I'm starting to get cold and hungry. Deuces.